The grandeur of the great Indian wedding becomes even more opulent with the sparkle of diamonds, and hence diamonds are definitely a part of every bride's trousseau.
And the editor's choice for the Diamond Vivah jewelry is A.S. Motiwala. Congratulations. But before welcoming you on stage, we want you to know that you won this award in both the categories for the editor's choice and for the main winner. So you're the official winner in both the categories. There you go.
Many congratulations, gentlemen.
Wow, what an honor. Firstly, I would like to thank the Almighty for this. Competition's always tough. It's always fun to compete. Thank you, Allah, for this. Thank you, Retail Jeweler. Thank you, all the co-sponsors, the jury members, all the fellow nominees. Congratulations. This award is actually not mine. It's completely that man who's standing on the stage. Being the fifth generation in this line, I had a dream to do things a little differently. It's a long story, but cutting it short, he backed me 100%, rather 200%. He believed in my dreams more than I did. He tested me at times, and by God's grace, I passed. So actually, this is for the institution, Mr. A.S. Motiwala. If y'all don't mind, I would like to call him to say a few words.
Speech, 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 speech.
I love you, my son. Keep it up. And I pray you keep on getting one award at least every year. He has worked hard for it. Every bit of this design is his, and I'm very proud of him. Keep it up.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Retail.
Well, congratulations. You have won 2 awards. How do you feel?
Oh, we are over the moon as a family, as God's been very kind to us. We are over the moon.
Oh, it was lovely. It was excellent. Unbelievable that we won 2 awards in the same category. That was really wonderful.
So I hope there's going to be a big celebration.
Oh, yes, of course. Of course, we just, this is a big Eid gift. This is a big Eid gift for us. We are still celebrating Eid. So, yeah, the party's still on. It's on the complete 24-hour mode right now.
Would you like to dedicate the award to?
Yes, of course. This is dedicated, let me tell you very frankly, it is only my son's hard work which has got us this.
It's his backing. It's you can work hard, but if you don't have support, you don't get anywhere. So, as he puts it to me, I put it to him. It's his. He supported me. He believed in me. That's the most important thing any son would want from a father.
It's ours.
Yeah.
Wow, I see such a great bonding that this award has got you people too. That's really good.
And the ladies too.
Yes, definitely.
Without their praise, nothing would happen. So their support, their praise, and them being in our life, it's beautiful. God is very kind.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure having you all here. Hope to see you again next year. Yeah. Thank you.
We're looking forward to it.
Thank you.